What is Toblerone? It's an international chocolate, a century old, from Switzerland, relished by 122 countries in the world. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all fine, happy, smiling. And how is your day? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for all your support. Obrigado. This Toblerone is an interesting chocolate bar that is born in Switzerland. And what makes it special is the unique ingredient that is added into it. Let's know what is this unique ingredient. It is nougat. It's a sweet that is made from sugar, honey, nuts and egg white. Less gracious amount of milk powder. So you can get a feel of having a regular dark chocolate plus nougat at a time. It's a mountain-shaped big chocolate, tastes sweet and unique from other chocolates. It melts in mouth and you can feel the crunch of nuts going into it. This is available on Amazon and Flipkart stores. I'll be providing the link in the description box. You can buy. This is invented by Tumler and his cousin in 1908 in Switzerland. Thanks to the makers, because we can feel the freshness of the chocolate even today, right? So let's go to unboxing now. Are you interested to see how the chocolate is? Yes, it's a big chocolate of 360 grams. You can purchase in Amazon and Flipkart stores. I'll provide the link in the description box. You can click on it and buy if you want. Even 100 grams pack is also available. You can buy it, but once you get the pack home, you got to refrigerate it, otherwise it gets melted. If any of you have come here for the first time and are watching my video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See how the chocolate is. It's a big Taberlone, but it's a shaped out Taberlone. Though we see the mountain shape, but the peaks were gone because it got melted. After I got home, do consume it within an year. So do have a look on the chocolate Taberlone bar. So how is the big Taberlone chocolate bar? Did you like it? Do relish the flavor? It stands as a perfect gift for any occasion. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, do subscribe. Flying Skies One for more videos. Have a good day. Keep smiling.